Hey, in today's video, I'm gonna let you see a boring day in a life of a dental student, vlog 14. So let's roll the intro. So my boring day starts with rolling my pen, as you could see, but no, it's actually my online classes. And I'm here studying. Trying to study, but not studying. But yes, I'm studying. So before any of my friends text me and ask me if I'm taking notes while online classes, so I wanna let you know that it's very rare. And as you can see that my room is really messy. Actually, my bed. Yeah, that is my journal. Yeah, that is my journal. Yeah. Wow, such a productive aesthetic work. This is really great, guys. I like doing it. You can do too. Oh, that's the lychee chilkas which I again found very aesthetic, so why not shoot it? Ah, there are more. I ate all of them. It was delicious. I like lychees. Do you? So yes, now it's time to organize my bed. And here I am piling all the stuffs that I have kept on my bed, which is really very nice. My bed is very nice. I want to sleep whenever I talk about my bed. Okay, so let's get into the point. And here I am again doing my stuffs done. Yes, that's my pencil box. It's like 10 years old. No, it's 5 years old actually. And I find that keeping things in place makes me much more happier. Happier. That's it. So during the late afternoon, I really like to open my windows, and because in Kolkata it's really hot, but the heat just comes down, and so I really like to peek into others' property. Yeah. Also, I and my sister like having coffee at the afternoon, and we listen to jazz. I just completed editing one of my video and it's evening. I have a meeting from 6 p.m. with the seniors, and since I am the in charge of dance and music from first year, so we will be having all this discussion and we will be jotting down all the events, and so are the seniors, they are the in charge, and we will share our ideas. And that's the plan for today evening. And I think the weather is really so nice. It's spring and it's summer, so I love this time of the season. I just love it. It's so aesthetic. And yes, so it's just 5 minutes left to be 6, and that's pretty much about today's plan for the evening, and let's see what else happens. So the thing is, I just completed one of the portion from anatomy, and I think internal capsule part is really difficult. I think because the fibers, these are really difficult to memorize and to understand like where it is going from. So I have been like continuously studying for the fibers, but I don't think that I've still like totally recall each and everything. So I'm trying my best. I'm like revising all the things quite often. And yes, the room is quite gloomy because I am having my lamp, study lamp over there, and there is some fairy lights because I like this kind of ambience much more than the bright light. And what I have done is I just completed this one. Before that, I had the conference with the seniors about the next event, so it was like for 1.5 hours, I think, like the conference went, because it would be 30 minutes and you have to script and everything else, so we have to be very clear and very precise, and the concept should be known to each and every year. And it was quite fun, but we had a long talk, so everybody was missing tea, but I had mine, and now I'm taking a break because I don't think, like, my brain just gets so much stuck if I study like more than 30 minutes or 40 minutes in one particular topic. I've seen that a lot of time, and I literally get frustrated. I don't know what about you people, but I really get frustrated. So I took some break off, and what I'm doing is I'm just doing my journal, and I think I'm writing the journal today a lot more than every day. I don't know, but I have so much in my mind that I have to jot down all the thoughts in the journal. And yes, that is what I'm doing. And there is my desk with the lights and my water, so just have a look. So there we go. That's my notebook, and that's my lamp, and that's my water mug, and that's my sister's water mug. And then I also have a tiny tiny sanitizer over there, and that's a really cool lamp, I think, because I like it. So it's midnight and my sister and I we created a Google link and then we chatted there just like this. Like she's there, I'm here, and then she created a link. She sent it to me. I opened the link, asked for joining. She approved it, and then we chatted for 2 minutes. Hey guys, so I hope that you find this video quite funny. I mean, days are going really boring and I'm really bored at home, and it's not like I always do studying, because it's literally boring. Because the other time I used to go college and then come home and do stuffs, and it has a pace, but nowadays everything is so dull and so boring. So I thought of why not record this kind of vlogs and put it there, because I know my friends and everybody else are going through a very boring, monotonous time. So yeah, if you like this kind of vlog, do hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that I get the boost to upload more videos like this. And of course, it means a lot when you comment and when you subscribe to my channel. I feel really blessed, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care and bye bye.